Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Let's start. 1, O, N, E, 1. Yellow color. 2, T, W, O, 2. Red color. Red color 3. THREE 3. Yellow color 4. FOUR 4. Orange color 5. FIVE 5. Orange color 6. SIX 6. Red color 7. SEVEN 7. Light yellow color 8. EIGHT 8. Blue color 9. NINE 9. Dark yellow color 10. TEN 10. Blue color, dark yellow color, red color, light yellow color, orange color. 1 ONE1, 2 TWO2, 3 THREE 3, 4 FOUR 4, 5 FIVE 5, 6 SIX 6, 7 SEVEN 7, 8 EIGHT 8, 9 NINE 9, 10 TEN 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.